We're here at the Jarar Al Qdwa school, which has been turned into a shelter for 300 families. And the school, of course, was not meant to get this number of families. So this is wastewater. Wastewater from toilets, wastewater from showers, which they're channeling to get out of the school. It shows the concerns about sanitation, the concerns about disease outbreak. And what we need to be able to fix this is pipes, is cement, to be able to link this to the sewer system and treat this wastewater. It really shows the concerns about sanitation that exist throughout the Gaza strips right now. We're here at the Wafia sewage pumping station, one of 6 sewage pumping stations in Khan Yunis that UNICEF helped rehabilitate. We need to continue this work because, as we saw at the hospital that we were just in, there's so many skin diseases, respiratory infections, and other consequences from the raw sewage that people are living with. This work is essential life-saving work.